Hi, welcome to Kitchen Close-Ups at the Mechanicsville branch of Pamunkey Regional Library. This is the cooking series we've been doing during our pandemic programming, and we're so glad you've tuned in today. I am Cindy Hooper, one of the programmers here.
And I'm Carolyn Lewis doing the video.
Today we are going to learn how to make veggie pizza bars. Now, even if you're not a big fan of vegetables, I encourage you to try this because it's a really delicious way to get some vegetables in you. What you're going to need for these are a refrigerated pizza crust, some flavored cream cheese. This one is garden vegetable flavor. You can also get like chive cream cheese. You don't want a sweet one. You want something kind of on the savory side. Some shredded cheese, and you won't need anywhere near this much, just a little bit of shredded cheese. Any flavor you like. This is Monterey Jack. You could use mozzarella, cheddar, whatever you like. And then some vegetables. The vegetables we've chosen, and these are all raw vegetables. You don't have to cook anything. We have broccoli that we've already chopped up into little pieces. We have shredded carrots, which I bought this way. Now you can shred your own carrots, but you can buy them like that. These are sweet peppers. You can also use bell peppers. If you like spicy, you can use some spicy peppers, but we don't like stuff too spicy. And I have a little bit of onion right here. If you like cauliflower, put some of that in. If you don't like carrots, don't use carrots. Pick whatever vegetables you like. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first step, of course, is we washed our hands. You always want to wash before you start cooking. And you're going to open your pizza crust and cook it. Now, I went ahead and cooked ours already, so you can see it's kind of golden brown. This is half the pizza crust. We didn't need the full amount. Cooked it at 400 degrees for about 10 or 11 minutes. And then after that, you want to let it cool, and ours is cool already. After that, you're going to spread it with cream cheese. Put on however much you like. You want enough for your vegetables to stick, but not a huge thick layer that it's really, really disgusting with cream cheese. So we're going to spread this on. Try to get it to the edges because this is what's going to hold your vegetables on. This is what's going to give them something to stick to. So you don't really want to have any bare spots. And the cream cheese tastes good. But you don't want it an inch thick either. That's kind of too much. So I would say about like that. We still got some cream, so about like that. And then this is super easy. Now you're just gonna sprinkle your vegetables on. So we're gonna start with our broccoli, kind of spread it around. And that's why you wanna cut these up nice and little, so that you can spread it kind of evenly and you don't have huge chunks. And we're not gonna use all of this. I wasn't sure when I was cutting exactly how much we'd need. That looks good. And I kind of push it down just a little bit so it kind of sticks in there. And these are all sweet peppers. The different colors are just different colors. So I'm going to kind of mix them. And we're just going to sprinkle those over. That looks good too. And again, if you like peppers, put extra. If you're not a fan, just do a little bit. Or don't use peppers at all. See, good thing our hands are clean because we're touching a lot of this. And a little bit of onion. It adds good flavor, but I don't like too much. It can be kind of strong. And green onions are good too. That's what I would actually recommend, but I didn't get green onions. I kind of forgot. And then shredded carrots. These kind of look like shredded cheese, but they're not. They're carrots, obviously. And then one more thing you can do. So we're kind of just pushing this all down. And it's not all gonna stick, but that's okay. Then after you get the vegetables the way you want, you're gonna take your cheese and just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. And you can just leave the cheese on there and just eat it as it is. But what's really nice is if you turn your oven on, your broiler, turn it on for about a minute, let it warm up for for a few minutes, and then put this under the broiler, really just for about 1 minute, just to melt the cheese so that it kind of sticks to the vegetables. And you can see it's a light coating of cheese. It's not covered. You still can see the vegetables. You don't want this to be really, really heavy on the cheese, but just a little bit. Now, we don't have a broiler here, so I'm not going to do this on the broiler, but know that you can do this on the broiler at home. You can eat them right now. You can stick them in the fridge, let it all kind of chill up. They're good overnight. You can eat them a few days later, but quick and easy veggie pizza bars. I hope you guys enjoy them.